Fix 1. Check network connection. Go to Settings Wi-Fi and make sure you are connected to a stable network. If you are using cellular data, go to Settings Cellular and ensure that the App Store is allowed to use data. If there are network issues, try switching Wi-Fi networks or restarting your router. Fix 2. Reset network settings. Step 1. Go to Settings General Reset. Step 2. Select Reset Network Settings and enter your device password to confirm the action. Step 3. After resetting the network settings, reconnect to Wi-Fi or cellular data and open the App Store again. Fix 3. Check Apple System Status. You can visit the Apple System Status page in your browser, find the App Store, and check if its status is green, indicating normal operation. If the status shows an issue, please be patient and wait for Apple to resolve the problem. Fix 4. Clear App Store cache. Step 1. Open the App Store app. Step 2. Tap any option on the bottom navigation bar, for example, search 10 times in a row. Step 3. The App Store will automatically refresh the cache, and then you can try loading the page or downloading the app again. Fix 5. Restart device. Temporary system issues may cause the App Store to stop working. Restarting the device can clear the cache and restore the system to normal operation. Fix 6. Check date and time settings. Step 1. Go to Settings General Date and Time. Step 2. Enable Set Automatically to ensure the device adjusts the time according to the time zone. Step 3. If the issue persists, manually set the correct date and time. Fix 7. Update iOS system. Step 1. Go to Settings General Software Update. Step 2. Check if a system update is available. Step 3. If there is one, tap Download and Install, and after the update is complete, try using the App Store again. Fix 8. Sign out and sign back into Apple ID. Step 1. Go to Settings Apple ID Sign Out. Step 2. Enter your password to confirm the sign out, then sign back into your Apple ID. Step 3. Return to the App Store and check if the issue is resolved. Fix 9. Use iOS System Recovery. If the above methods don't work, the issue may be caused by a system problem affecting the App Store. iOS System Recovery is a professional iOS system repair tool that can fix various iOS system issues, including the App Store not working problem, without data loss. Step 1. Download and install the tool on your computer. After installation, open the program and select iOS System Recovery. Step 2. Connect your iPhone or iPad to the computer and trust the connection. Then, click Start and follow the on-screen prompts to enter recovery mode. Step 3. Select Standard Mode and click Confirm to proceed. The tool will start downloading the necessary iOS firmware. Step 4. Once the firmware download is complete, click Repair to begin the repair process. The tool will fix your device and resolve the issue with the iOS App Store not working. Fix 10. Contact Apple Support. If you're still experiencing issues with the App Store, it's a good idea to contact Apple to find out what's going on. There could be a technical glitch with your account, or Apple may have flagged your Apple ID due to suspicious activity, such as an attempt to access your account.